Hello, dear. I'm back with another session of the chapter mensuration. We shall start with 18.3, where we learn to calculate surface area and volume of a sphere. This chapter, as stated earlier, we've learned to calculate the area of three-dimensional solids. Namely, as in 18.1, we have learned about finding surface area and volume of cylinder, which comprised of solid and hollow cylinders. Similarly, 18.2, we learned about the right circular cone. Here, the third part, that is the sphere, that is going to be the hollow sphere, spherical shell, or the hollow sphere. And for a hemisphere, and we're going to learn solid sphere also in this. If I put it into sequence, it will be for the solid sphere, spherical or hollow sphere. For a hemisphere and hemispherical shell, we're going to calculate. We'll learn to calculate the volume, the thickness, and all the things which they will be asking in the questions. We'll try to calculate. Okay. So let's start with 18.3. Okay. So let's start with surface area and volume of a sphere. एक्सरसाइज 18.3. देखिए फॉर्मूलेज आपकी बुक में एज इट इज दिए हुए हैं, वहाँ से भी आप कर सकते हैं, पर लेकिन आई वुड मेक इट अ हैबिट, एज इट इज माई हैबिट, की टू ऑलवेज राइट द फॉर्मूला, द गिवन पार्ट एंड द फॉर्मूला. दिस मेक्स यू थरो with the practice. So here you're supposed to find the volume of a sphere is given to you, that is 113 1/7 centimeters cube. Find its diameter. Okay, so given volume of a sphere is equal to 113. It's in a mixed fraction form. When you multiply 113 into 7, you get 791 plus 1, 7 will give you 792 over 7 will be your volume. So the formula here will be 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere. Okay, 4/3 into 22/7 into r cube is equal to 792 over 7. This r cube is equal to 792 over 7 into 3 over 4 into 7 over 22. 7 ones, 7 ones. So 2 11s, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 6. So again 11 ones are 11, 33 and 36. Okay. 4 ones and 4 nines. Give you r cube is equal to 9 into 3. R cube is equal to 27. So r cube will be 3 centimeters. So diameter is equal to twice radius. Therefore diameter is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. This is your answer. Coming on to the second sum, the surface area of a sphere is 55544 centimeter square. Find its diameter. Solution for it. What is given? Surface area of a sphere is equal to 5544 centimeter square. So the formula is 4 pi r square is equal to surface area of a sphere. Simply 4 into 22/7 into r square is equal to 5544. R square is equal to 5544 into 7 over 22 into 4 will give you 11 twos, 11 fives, 11 54s. Am I right? No, it's 504. देखा कितना कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. उसके बाद 2 ones, 2 twos 4, 2 fives 10, twos. Okay, twos, 2 1 2 6, 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. R square is equal to 63 into 7. R square is equal to 441. R is equal to 21 centimeter. We've calculated the radius. Diameter is twice of radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into 21 is equal to 42 centimeters. So the diameter is 42 centimeters. This is our answer. The third, starting with the third sum, find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a hemisphere of a radius 21 centimeters. Solution for it. What is given to you is the radius is given. Radius is equal to 21 centimeters. Circumference. The curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r square is equal to 2 into 22 over 7 into into 21 into 21. 7 ones, 7 threes. 2 into 22 into 3 into 44 into 60. 772 centimeter square will be your curved surface area. Okay. We asked you first part. The second is the total surface area. See why we take, it's a sphere, right? It's a three-dimensional figure again. Okay, when you rotate it around the axis, that is this part. Okay, तो तीन तरफ से ही होता है तो 3 pi r square हो जाएगा. 3 into total surface area, 3 into 22 over 7 into 21 into 21. 7 ones and 7 threes. 66 into 60. 4158 centimeter square. This is going to be your total surface area. So the two answers which the questions they are asked you are given. Moving on to question number 4. The fourth sum. The radius of the spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeters to 14 centimeters as air is pumped into it. Balloon है, पहले उसका रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर है और उसमें ज़्यादा हवा भरने के बाद 14 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. तो दो केसेस हैं. यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, सिंपली सॉल्यूशन करेंगे. गिवन R1 will be 7 centimeters first. Okay, and R2 will be 14 centimeters. First case it is going to be radius with 7 centimeters. Second case it is going to be radius with 14 centimeters. As they have asked you to compare and give the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in two cases. Okay. So in the first case, surface area of the sphere of a sphere is, or a balloon is 4 pi r square. Okay. 4 into 22 over 7 into 7 into 7. 7 ones and 7 ones will give you 616 centimeter square. Okay. Second case. Surface area of a balloon will be 4 pi r square is equal to 4 into 22 over 7 into 14 into 14, 7 1, 7 2s. On calculating, we get it as 2464 centimeters square. This is the area of the balloon surface area. Okay, so we're supposed to find the ratio. The ratio is 616 over 2464. 616 when we divide it by 4, it is 1:4. Simply the ratio is 1:4. This is your answer. Coming on to sum number 5. Sum. The volume of a sphere is 36 pi centimeters cube. Find the surface area of the sphere. Correct the nearest centimeter square. So, given volume is equal to 36 pi centimeters cube. Formula again. Volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. 36 pi 4 over 3 pi into 36 pi over pi into 3 over 4 is equal to 4 ones 4. So 9 into 3 is 27 is equal to cube. R will be 3 meters. Now calculate the surface area. Is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 over 7 into r we have found as 3 into 3 will give you 88 into 9 over 7. 792 over 7. 792 over 7. 7 ones 7. 9 7 is 2. So you will get 11.2 something. So it is nearest will be 113 centimeter square. This is going to be your surface area. Okay, this is the answer. Fifth sum. The volume of a sphere is 36 pi centimeters cube. Find the surface area of the sphere. Correct the nearest centimeter square. So given volume is equal to 36 pi centimeters cube. The formula again. Volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, 36 pi 4 over 3 pi into r cube. So 36 pi over pi into 3 over 4 is equal to r cube. 4 ones 4. 9 into 3 is r cube. 27 is equal to r cube. R will be 3 meters. Okay. We now calculate the surface area. Is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 over 7 into r we have found as 3 into 3 will give you 88 into 9 over 7. 792 over 7. 792 over 7. 7 ones 7. 9 1 7 2 3. Okay. So you will get 11.2 something. So it is nearest will be 113 centimeter square. This is going to be your surface area. Okay, this is the answer. Find the volume of a hollow sphere whose outer diameter is 10 centimeters and the thickness of the material of which it is made is 1 centimeters. Given outer diameter is equal to 10 centimeters, so the radius will be 5 centimeters as we know. अब तो ये बच्चों का खेल होना चाहिए तुम्हारे लिए. Thickness is equal to 1 centimeters, so the thickness पहले भी करा है r minus or outer radius minus the inner one. Here we have to calculate thickness is given. 1 is equal to r is 5 minus r. 1 minus 5 minus r minus 4 minus r. R is equal to 4 centimeters. Keeping in mind, okay. यहाँ पे हमने radius 4 centimeters फाइंड करा है. तो इसके सारे क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम फाइंड करनी है. वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू 4/3 pi r, pi into r cube minus r cube. 4/3 into 22/7 into 5 cube minus 4 cube will give you 4/3 into 22/7 into 125 minus 64 is equal to 4/3 into 22/7 into 61, which will give you 5368 divided by 21 will give you 255.6 centimeters square. This is the volume, okay, of the hollow sphere with diameter. Okay, so coming on to seventh sum. आप लोग बोर हो जाते होंगे ना, मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ कमिंग ऑन टू. सजेस्ट करें कमेंट बॉक्स में कि मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ. चलो 7 सम स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, सॉल्यूशन. यहाँ क्या कह रहे हैं ये लोग, सिलेंडर है जिसकी हाइट है 2/3 ऑफ इट्स डायमीटर. उसका 2/3 हिस्सा जो है उसका डायमीटर है. हैज द सेम वॉल्यूम एज अ स्फीयर ऑफ रेडियस. स्फीयर है जिसका रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर्स है. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द बेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर. ओके, चलो. हाइट इज 2/3 ऑफ द diameter is given to you. So d is equal to 2 into r is equal to twice the radius. Therefore height is equal to 3 into 2r will give you 4/3 r. Okay, so the volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the sphere. So comparison to pi r square h, 4/3 pi r cube will give you pi r square equal to 4 over 3 into pi into r is given 4. यहाँ पे मेंशन करा है, देखो यहाँ पे रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर. So pi gets cancelled with pi. This will become simply r cube is equal to 4 over 3 into 3 over 4 into 4 cube. 3, 3, 4, 4 all gets cancelled. R cube will be 64. R will be 4. Therefore, radius of the base of the cylinder is equal to 4 centimeters. This is your answer. With this, we complete today's video by putting. I've given you 7 solutions today. Tomorrow we'll solve the rest of it, so that we'll complete 18.3 and we start with the 18.4. I'm speeding up, the reason being very simple, that it is, the more we finish off, the more self-study we can do. Okay, bye, thank you, have a nice day.